He was standing in some tiny town in Harper's Evan Island, awaiting for a ship to come and find him. A one-horse blaze, a Bentley face, some coffee and the tiny trace of fiddling in the distance. Far behind him, a dime across the counter and a shy hello, a friendly friend, a walk along the streets of wintry weather. A yellow light, an open door, a welcome friend, there's room for more. Soon was ended there inside together. Susanna heard that tune before somewhere, but I can't remember when. Was it on some other friend? Be sure did I hear it on the wind? Was it written on the sky above? I think I heard it from someone I loved, but I never heard it sound so sweet since then. A little voice says, I take your head, he's calling in the magic of his smile. Then leaves the heart inside him, and on and off the floor he sends his clumsy body, graceful as a child. He says there's magic in the fiddler's hands, there's magic in this town. There's magic in the dancers' feet and the way they put them down. Smiling people everywhere, rooms and limits and lots of hair, locked in old suits and Easter gowns, up to the fire. The shade is gone, the room is bare, the old piano standing there. Someone's left hanging on the rack. Some empty chairs, a wooden floor that feels the touch of shoes no more, waiting for the dancers to come back. And the fiddles in the closet of some daughter of the town. The strings are broken, the bow is gone, and the case is buttoned down. But often on December nights, when the air is cold and the wind is right,